back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, then welcome, and if you are already my subscriber, then welcome back. Before I start, I really want to apologize to all my viewers right now, be it my subscribers, especially to my subscribers who've already subscribed. I'm really sorry for not being active for so long. Don't even remember मैंने last time कब upload की थी video. You know how I got inspired to get back on YouTube was I was reading this book called Ikigai, and I really got inspired with this book. It's such a nice and amazing book. I'm surely gonna give a review of that book later. So I read that book, and that says that you have to find your Ikigai. Like, it's a simple thing, what makes you happy. So making videos, getting ready, it makes me happy. So I thought, and being on YouTube was really my dream. I don't know how I got like off the track. I'm going to diversify my channel. It's going to be mix of fashion and traveling. So I'm going to do that, and if you have any suggestion, any comments, please write it down below. I'm gonna fix one day in a week where I'll upload my videos. I'll let you know. And so here's a little trailer for you guys that I made earlier, but I'm posting it now, so go watch. Stopping by my channel, and welcome to my channel. So in this channel you're gonna see all the things that revolve around my life, be it fashion, be it styling, be it clothes. By subscribing this channel so you don't miss out anything, stay tuned and watch out for more, and I'll see you guys soon.